I'm Aicahr if you're new here. Today I'll be doing a what I eat in a day video. So first things first, we do have to hydrate. Alright guys, so today I'll be making some breakfast quesadillas, which is one of my staples. The only thing I forgot was the turkey bacon, which I'm so sad about. I forgot to grab it while I was at the store yesterday. All of these ingredients are actually from my local farmer's market, which is Sprouts. Alright, so we're gonna start by making the eggs first. I like my scramble very, very soft, so I cook it at low heat. Just gonna spray some Pam all over that. So while we wait for that to heat up, I'm just gonna mix some vegan cheese with the eggs. Oh my gosh guys, it looks like this one has 2 yolks. I don't know if it'll show. Anyway, so I'm gonna put a little bit of the Daiya cheese shreds and just a little bit lactose intolerant, so you know, gotta choose my battles. But with breakfast, I just use vegan cheese. Sometimes, guys, I have to use my stool just to get into my cabinets. Isn't that sad? I'm so short. So now that our pan has heated up, we can go ahead and add the eggs in there. I love my eggs very, very mushy, which is so weird. I love everything crunchy, but my grandma always makes them mushy and I love it like that. Always eat eggs like that or sunny side up. How do you guys eat your eggs? My eggs, I just put them on the side for now while we cook up our tortillas. Don't forget to re-spray your pan. We're gonna turn up the heat just a little bit. And while that's cooking, we're just gonna add more cheese. We kind of pushed it over to 1/2, so that looks like that. So you're gonna leave that on there for maybe about 2 minutes, and then we're gonna flip it over, and hopefully we'll have like a nice golden crust. Guys, look at this perfect quesadilla. I just wish I had turkey bacon, but it's okay. We'll have it next time. I'm also gonna put a handful of blueberries on the side. This is the best blueberry brand. Oh my gosh, it's so amazing. I don't know what it is, but these taste different than any other blueberry that I've had, but if you have a chance to go get this brand. Look at this breakfast. I am so excited to dig in. Alright, so it has been a few hours and I am wanting a snack, so I'm just gonna eat some carrots with some organic hummus roasted red pepper, which is my favorite. I'm also gonna have a little bit of kombucha on the side. I usually don't drink this brand, I usually drink the Health Aid brand, but this brand was on sale and it's peach pineapple flavor, which I'm super excited about. Yay, so we're back for lunchtime, and of course I am having the typical avocado toast. This avocado is huge, by the way. It was either large or very, very tiny, so large. This is the brand of bread I'll be using. I use Oro Wheat Whole Grains 12 grain bread. I'm gonna pop 2 slices in the air fryer. Having an air fryer is definitely my favorite. Guys, I won this air fryer at a family Christmas raffle, and honestly, I got lucky. It is the best thing. I use it pretty much every day. Wow, I am so excited to eat this. So of course I topped it off with the Trader Joe's Everything But the Bagel Sesame Seasoning Blend, and on the other side I topped it off with some crushed red pepper flakes. Alrighty, so for tonight for dinner, I am cooking sea bass. This is my favorite brand. Of course, I got it from Sprouts. I know that you can get it from Whole Foods as well. We also have some rice cooking in the rice cooker. And we also have our sea bass thawing in cold water. So for dinner, I'm gonna show you guys how to make my favorite sauce for fish. So it's just gonna be some Roma tomato. And instead of soy sauce, I like to use liquid aminos. Basically it tastes like the same thing, and it's less in sodium. So you're just gonna take your Roma tomato. Do you guys know that when I went to a magnet school, I took culinary originally instead of hospitality? That was really weird. It was definitely something that was out of my comfort zone. It was fun. It taught me the correct way how to use a knife, but honestly, I don't even think that I still know how to use a knife correctly. I'm still scared of cutting myself. As you guys can see, I just chopped up a Roma tomato and I put it in the bowl. Now I'm just gonna add maybe about 2 tablespoons of liquid aminos, and that's gonna be my sauce for the fish. I think because I grew up being Filipino, that was always kind of like a thing, putting soy sauce and tomatoes together. So I just crave that naturally, but it's really good. And then I'll show you everything when it's done. So we're just gonna flip our sea bass and then cook it for another 7 minutes. Set timer for 7 minutes.
7 minutes, starting now.
Dinner is finally ready. We have our sauce mixture, our sea bass. It's nice and crispy on the edges and moist on the inside. And we have our 1 cup of rice. Yum. As always, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
I've been on my way up, now it's really far down. I don't think I'll feel it when I hit the ground.